All right, here is a unboxing. This is quick. I ordered it this morning. I'm just kidding. I think I ordered it day before yesterday. I think. I'll have to double check. And about to take off to a dental appointment. And I was surprised it said it was got an email, said it was up for delivery. And here it is. Anker. Blank on this side. Looks like the front side. And it's blank. And this looks like the back side with the info. Anker. America's leading charging brand. Had never heard of it. And brother-in-law had a little charging station with a bunch of little charging ports and yeah, it just looked cool. And went online and I found this battery. It says it's 40,000 milliamps, or I think they're milliamps. Well, 40,000. But I found it on eBay, refurbished. Hopefully it works. Oh man, pretty hefty. Yeah, these are like $100. So on eBay it was 50 something. Then got an email. This is because you viewed it. It was just gotta check your order details, delivered. Yeah, it's pretty hefty. It's a hefty sucker. And if it doesn't work, at least you can throw it at someone. It's a weapon. It's not a battery, it's a weapon. Anker. It looks nice. This comes with instructions. Trickle charging mode. I don't know if it works. Oh, like when you see those review videos. Okay, you got your box. It's blue. It's a nice color blue with white, and a lid, and little letters. It's an Anker 347 power bank, power core 40K. And then you got your little, that's hard to do with one hand. One hand on the phone. Maybe I can hold the phone with my teeth. No, it's not gonna work. Okay, we got our little handy dandy cord. Yeah, it's not lighting up, and I gotta leave. I have to leave it charging. I don't have time to read this. I gotta take off, and it's tiny little letters. Oh, that's about it. battery level low. Press the button to check battery level. Nothing. I ain't got nothing. Got nothing for Christmas. Can't see no more. Okay, well, enough of that. I gotta take off. Gotta go to the dentist. All right. Well, anyways, there it is. It's some brick. It's heavy. Feels pretty solid. Feels like that. Like it sounds. All right. Series 3. I was going to say, if you like my reviews, hit the subscribe button, like and share. Oh, there it is. I don't know if you can see that. There's a little jump on the video on this iPhone 12. Okay, I'm gonna have to leave this thing charging. Dang it. Okay, well, it's a 40,000. Is it milliamps, millihertz, milli vanilli? Well, it's a 40,000 K. Got it for $50. Shipping. Yeah, it was like $39.99 plus $9.99 shipping on eBay. Pretty good deal. Refurbished. Hopefully it works. Otherwise, it's a brick. All right, that's it. Have a nice weekend. Trying to think of what else to say.